Alright guys, Tyler here, Tyler's Tight Lines. About to do our MTB mystery tackle box unboxing. There you go. Just kind of ironic because I'm wearing a Lucky Tackle Box shirt. Favorite shirt I have in my arsenal, so alright, let's see what we have. This is the mystery tackle box for the month of June. Alright, cool. Here is the card with all the different baits on it. Alright. So first, it looks like we have an Omega Customs Tackle. This is looks like a ½ ounce, but a purple and green color, like a red eye on it. Alright, next we have, let's see, we have a Lucky Craft Flash Minnow. Can't go wrong with that. Pretty sweet. It's like a suspending jerk bait style. Cabin Creek Bait Company, never heard of these guys. But these are avocado / black and red. Small salty spider parts is what it says. Kind of looks like little crawls and then little like round amoeba things. They got the little crawl things. These look a little small for the jig, but it's finesse style, or these small size, good for like a finesse style, which is cool. Maybe like a really small drop shot. Lake Lunkers Custom Baits. These are called Taper Tails. These look super finesse style. These look really cool. I've never seen any bait like this. I like the color. The material feels really durable. Those are pretty sweet. Go purplish color. Cabin Creek 1/8 ounce spider head, like a jig head. Like a jig head for these baits. That'll be cool to throw. Like I said, really finessey style, really small. And finally we have a standout drop shot hooks. And then the Dill Digest, this month is 4 kilo drop shot baits, and then the 3 best super shallow water presentations. Always read these. I have great, sometimes they have coupons sometimes, but great skills and tactics to know, especially if you're just starting out fishing. I love reading them too, and they're pretty funny sometimes, so read them. They're good read and they're quick too. And then we have our Mystery Tackle Box sticker. We have our little promo card for someone to get their first box for $5, and all the stuffing, and we'll just get a little coin here. Gotta match it 3 things and you win a prize. Never won one yet, and didn't win again. Let's see. If we would have won, the prize would have been Cocoon's polarized fit cover sunglasses. Can never go wrong with polarized sunglasses, but didn't win anyway, so worth a shot. I think that's a cool little thing that Mystery Tackle Box does. Really enjoy that. I love getting my box every month as it is. Yeah, Flash Meadow spider parts, which is like, I guess it. Oh, this is supposed to. I don't know if you guys can see. I have it set up. The little spider thing is supposed to look like act like a skirt, but it's a plastic. That's cool. If you ever see something there, that's really something I have to try out. That's pretty sweet. And then we just have the drop shot hooks, and then the jig, and then the taper tail. These guys are pretty sweet and they're cheap too. Only $133 for a 4-pack, which is really sweet because I'm sure these guys are gonna work. Alright guys, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel please. I'm going to be putting up a video with this one. I went trout fishing with some spinning tackle today. Saw some pretty cool stuff actually, so there's a special surprise on there, so you guys should check that out for sure. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned, tight lines.